Hi there, Michelle Lewis here with Coldwell Banker. Hey, I just wanted to reach out and thank you so much for coming to my open house this weekend. It was really great meeting you. If you're receiving this information or this packet of information, that means you've requested information or disclosures on the above property, or that you'd like to be notified anytime a home that meets your criteria that hits the market. So I will be sending you a notification anytime a home that hits the market that meets your criteria, as well as homes that are coming soon and off-market listings. Now, this email will come anytime, and you'll be notified anytime a home that hits the market that meets the criteria that we've already gone over. So look out for that. It is coming from an email called Collab Center, and I'll be reaching out to you weekly to see if you'd like to peek inside any of them. So I really am looking forward to helping you find your next home, and be sure to check out some of my YouTube videos on strategies and tips on how to crush the competition when you are in a multiple offer situation, as well as homes my video on how to buy and sell simultaneously. All right, and I will see you and talk to you soon. Take care.